Question 5 of this exercise says, check whether 6 to the power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. So basically this question means the following. As I change the value of n, the value of 6 to the power n will change. For example, when n is 1, then 6 to the power n or 6 to the power 1 will be 6. When n is 2, then 6 to the power n will be 6 square or 36. When n is 3, then 6 to the power n will be 6 cube or 216. And when n is 4, then 6 to the power n will be 6 to the power 4 or 1296, and so on. So in this sequence, will there be a power of 6 somewhere which ends with the digit 0? So look at the first 4 terms of this sequence. So we have 6, we have 36 whose ending digit is 6, then we have 216, ending digit is 6 again, and then we have 1296, ending digit is 6 again, and so on. So the question says, is there a power of 6 such that the ending digit of this number is 0? So this is what the question says. Now, what reasoning can we use to solve this problem? Well, we can use the fact that for a number to end in 0, it must be a multiple of 10. And if it's a multiple of 10, then its prime factorized form must have at least one factor of 2 and at least one factor of 5, because 10 it is made up of 1, 2 and 1, 5. So because 10 is 2 times 5, this means that for a number to end in 0, it must have at least one factor of 2 and one factor of 5 in its prime factorized form. So all we have to do to solve this question is to check whether 6 to the power n can have at least one pair of 2 and 5 for any natural number n. Okay, so what is the prime factorized form of the number 6 to the power n? Well, 6 is 2 times 3. So this means that 6 to the power n will be 2 times 3 raised to the power n, and this is equal to 2 to the power n times 3 to the power n. So this means that the prime factorized form of 6 to the power n is 2 to the power n times 3 to the power n. So there are n 2's and there are n 3's in the prime factorized form of 6 to the power n. So this means that 6 to the power n has only 2's and 3's as factors, only 2's and 3's as factors. No matter what the value of n is, 6 to the power n will never have a factor of 5. No matter what power you raise 6 to the power n will never have a factor of 5. Hence we can conclude that 6 to the power n will never have a 0 at the end of it for any value of n. So the answer to this question is 6 to the power n can never have its ending digit as 0. And with that, question 5 is done. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.